What's the best style of program out there for you to join if you want to make money online and you want to work in the make money online niche? That's where it gets crazy. There are so many companies out there, so many opportunities out there, and they all have different pay plans. And we're going to talk about a few of those in this video. So hang on, and we'll get through it. So, hey, I'm Jeff. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome if you're new, and we appreciate you being here. If you like this type of content, then sure, make sure to go ahead and subscribe so you can catch up with me when we do put more videos out. So we're talking about make money online, the niche, okay? A lot of different categories for that. We've got everything from your network marketing, multi-level marketing, which are the same thing, two different names. You've got direct sales, which is more like even though Avon and Tupperware and even Pampered Chef, those types of businesses are a multi-level marketing business. You can recruit representatives to sell, and then you make a small percentage back off of whatever their sales are. Okay. We've also got just typical everyday sales that can be a make money online niche, can be in that niche. Okay. You don't have to have the recruiting if that's not your thing. With the popular companies such as a Tupperware and Avon, Mary Kay was a big one, or is a big one still. Herbalife, everybody knows that. Amway, of course. So those are some of your big ones, but there are a ton of other style MLMs out there in the world. And I can even remember back when I was living down in Florida for a couple of years, I kind of had gotten away from the Amway crowd by moving down there, and I got hooked up with somebody who, it was a pantyhose MLM. Okay. So I gave it a whirl for a couple of weeks to see what that was all about. So yeah, there's a ton of you can make an MLM out of anything these days. You just got to figure out the legal mumbo jumbo and put together the site and be able to take in the sales and then distribute the sales, which is where we're seeing a lot more of this type of business popping up, is the actual digital products instead of a physical product. A lot of them are your health and nutrition, your juices. There's even one, it's a new diet supplement that has been out there, and it started out as an injection, but now they're starting to put that into drinks and powders and different stuff like that, making it not quite so, oh my gosh, I gotta give myself a shot. So you gotta take that as it is. So that's physical product, okay? But the digital side of it, digital products, such as selling marketing training, how to be a marketer, okay, online, or in my case, this is a quick plug for what I do, is I sell my 4-step video blueprint, okay? Actually, I don't even sell it, it's for free. So you can sign up for free and get the training videos that I have created, and then you can join us on our free Zoom call on Tuesday nights at 8 o'clock Eastern. At least at this point, at this time, that's where it is. Tuesday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so there's a quick plug for a digital product. I'm not even selling the product. I could maybe say $7. Give me $7. I'll give you the info, and you can join us on Tuesday night. I'm not even selling it right now. Okay, it's just an opportunity for people to come in and start learning how to market online with video, like I'm doing right now. Okay, but there's a lot of other digital training out there. I've just been sitting here going through some training myself on a program that I'm still working with in the background, and it basically gives the beginner a great way to get started. This is start an online e-learning business, and basically it's what I've already done with my 4-step video blueprint. I've created a digital product, although I'm physically showing up on Tuesday nights to have a Zoom call with everybody. Okay, it's still not a physical product. It's still an online product or digital product, right? And then so you've got recording the video lessons, you've got uploading and creating your course, all right, and then you've got monetizing and managing your courses, because once you do one, you start to kind of get the the idea of it, of how to do it, and you can start laying yourself out. Follow some training, follow some basic training like the one I've been watching today, and make yourself out an active system. Okay, make yourself out an active system to sell that product, and you could end up with 10, 12, 15, who knows how many digital products that you could put out there. It all depends on how you're going to market that product, and if you've got the right traffic source to market those products. Okay, and all the products could have a specific niche, so there's only certain people that you need to talk to. All right, so that kind of covers the gamut of what I wanted to talk about today. Multi-level marketing is one way, direct sales, and creating, whether you're doing it with physical product or you're doing it with creating a digital product, that kind of takes in everything that's going on out there. What I want everybody to realize is that if you do MLM, you still have to learn how to sell, okay? You need to learn the skill set to be able to talk to people. And I'll tell you, MLM, as far as I can tell, I know there's a ton of people that have done it successfully online, but a lot of that online has been Zoom calls and video training and webinars and stuff like that, where the old day MLM back in the 80s when I was working with some MLMs, it was go-to. You went to their houses, you went to their hotel room meetings, you went to the big events and stuff like that. And there's a lot of companies that still have the big events, and those are fun. But you got to really treat it like a business, and you've got to step back and say, okay, I need the skill set to sell this idea or sell this product. And I'm going to try to do some more videos on a sales process. If that's an area that you're not getting any training in, make sure to subscribe and look for that. I may put that into a separate playlist as I'm jotting down ideas to talk about. So when you get into the direct sales, there's a lot of these companies out here, and again, I'm working with one in the background that sell the training. Okay, the training, just like I'm talking about, how to be a marketer online, and they can vary in price anywhere from in the door for free to $7, $25, $50 on up. And the current program that I have running in the background sells their master level program at $2,000. But the fun part of that is when you sell it, you get the $2,000 directly into your pocket. All right, so not a bad deal. I know it sounds like a lot. It's like, ooh, that's big time. Yeah, that's high ticket. That's high ticket. I did not really put that into the front of our video information there, but that's high ticket sales. Anything starting out 100, 500, 1,500 up to $2,000 or more in some cases out there. Is going to really put you in a position where you've got to say to yourself, I need to learn how to sell this. All right, if you get caught up in all the other stuff and you go down too many rabbit holes trying to learn this stuff, you're going to get over here, oh, Pinterest is the answer. You're going to get over here, oh, this traffic platform is the answer. Or you're going to get in here, even with me, YouTube is the answer. Okay, I really enjoy putting this information out on YouTube. That's the preferred organic traffic method that I use, and that's why I have the 4-step video blueprint for other marketers to learn how to do what I'm doing right now, and giving you the opportunity to promote whatever business that you're working in while you're doing your videos. Okay, so if you need to check out the 4-step video blueprint, if you would like to see what a high ticket company marketing training system looks like, then make sure to check out for sure the links in the description area, and I'll probably leave one on the comment area as well. I like to leave a PS down on the comments, so make sure to look for that. So my point with everything here today, covering the different types of marketing that you can do out there online and the make money online niche, and I probably missed a couple. All right, you can let me know in the comments if you have something that's like, no, we do it this way. Hey, yeah, let me know. I like to research. I like to see what everybody's working on. But the point is that whatever you choose to do, whatever system you choose to be in, Learn how to sell the product. Learn how to talk to people. Learn how to do the sales process. Okay, everybody gets online now with expectations of, oh, I'm going to set up this fancy sales funnel and it's going to do all the work for me. It will do a lot of work for you, absolutely, but you've still got to get it in front of the right people. And then, especially if you're working in a higher ticket conversation, the conversation needs to be had in most cases. Okay, there's always going to be some messaging back and forth, some questions to answer, what we call handling the objection. All right, there's going to be the questions coming at you are kind of an objection, and we can teach you how to overcome those objections. All right, so stick with me, subscribe to the channel, check out the links that I'm going to provide for you if you are looking for a change of pace, or if you are looking for an organic traffic model, then YouTube videos might be the way to go. So check in with me on that, ask your questions, we'll take care of it, we'll handle your questions, and then you can make a fair decision on what you want to do. All right, we'll talk to you again in the next video. Bye for now.